Alright. I'm going to be getting the stuff and doing what I'm supposed to do. I know I'm not going to be doing that for the candles is scented, but first let's look through and put this. We're gonna put this. Where can I put this? Here. Remove this. Let's put this right here. Okay, so one thing I will be switching is for the top. You don't know. You can make a lot of good things with the top. You can get a little tent if you had big enough. So this is definitely going in. The top is the this is from the version 2 bag. This is a Dollar Tree top. So I'm thinking, yeah. I could also put this in here. This tablecloth cover, because it's plastic and it's reusable. I could put that in there. Now, it's look at a few things. Yeah. Okay, so we have in here. We have. Okay, so here's what we have in here. Okay, I'm trying to, these have a shelf life. I actually saw it. Where'd it go? Okay, where did the Best Buy go? That is very good. That is super duper weird. Let me see. I'm finding the light. Okay, that's weird. I can't really see. Oh, let me. Oh, my flashlight's right. Let's see. Oh wait. Best Buy 26. I think it would be best for me to put in the little snacks. Right? 26 next year. Right? And they're all protein. Well, power and protein mixes. They're all like late 26. So I can put these in here. Because guess what? These are food. Right? Here's the same one. Same one, yeah. Oh, but if you ever wondered, they're right there. I cook the power and protein, which means I'm able to eat in case I can't forage. Right? I'm actually thinking of putting. Oh, is this the one I stuffed? I'm thinking of putting this paracord in here also, just in case I don't have enough paracord for whatever. And I might actually put this one here just as a backup for first aid. So that's a potential. Right. Should I? I need as many ways to make a fire, right? And yeah. I can see, wow, I can see perfectly too. Potential also. The glow sticks, no. Right. So that's some stuff I could potentially put in there. I'm getting all these potentials. In this bag, I'm definitely putting in the jersey gloves for warmth. Right. Cold hands are not good hands. No. Supposedly these have lasted a while for a lot of people, so this is a potential. Also, put that right there. I kind of might want to do these too. I kind of might. Yeah. Because, they are LED ones, so the potential when they're not that big. I can just take all these three out and put them into a, right? So, yeah. This no, since I have enough. That's a no for me. Okay. Then the third and final bag. No. None of this would do for me. I might put the duct tape in there, though. Actually, no, I have heavy duty duct tape out there, so I can put it in there. So that's that. So, potentials. Actually, will put in. Potential. I might like take one of these out. This I definitely want because I can go. Oh hey, that's what that says, right? So yeah, no, that's just some stuff you can put in there. Yeah. Now let's get the big boy, and yeah, see what we can do. Well, obviously I'm putting in the coffee. Come on, what's he putting in the coffee? Come on. I'm definitely putting in the coffee. Let's just get work here, people. Okay? I put a crap ton of this too. This is the Mount Hagen, so therefore I'll have actual good coffee taste. This is the rest of the first pack I had here. I had a decent amount, actually. I'm not done yet either. Either way, this coffee's going in there. And it's going there now. I think I have another one here. No? No. So yeah. Either way, this is going in here, and it's going in here now. So let's just put this at the front, because, yeah, by the way, a good amount. I might do some regular coffee. If I can get a pack. Oh, I should have actually a pack or something. That's, no matter what that's going in, I'm actually using it. So like coffee, you know, like coffee. Okay, so I'm thinking also. No, I'm actually gonna keep some of the stuff in here. Right. I'm gonna have this bag right here with me the most. So it's like, yeah. Can I not open this? So. I'm gonna put this in here. It's small and nothing. So. I will be putting in the Silcock key, no matter what. So, as I said, I'm going to have this bag with me no matter what. So it's like, why not, right? You know? Now let's put in the second one. This is it. Open this. I can put this one in. Folks, I'm not trying to pick you up. Yeah. Silcock key is a must for any urban situation. I personally think. I just am only putting on a few just to get myself a good chance, you know. Should I put in this and get it out? Should I put in this? I'm thinking about it, so it's in here. I have a stove cord, which I could put and keep in here easily. And then in here. What is this? What is that? I'm gonna put these in here just because I might need a mint. Oh, I'm putting this in here. It's a stylus. It's a small little stylus. I'm putting it in here. Yeah. So, I really don't need this. So, no. I might try to put everything in the kitchen freaking sink in here. Obviously. So, yeah. Here. I'm not going to put in the This year, by the way, when it comes to nuts like this, definitely go, oh, yeah, serious about the expiration date. Pail knives I don't need, since I have some pail knives. Okay. What I will be putting in here, though, I can remember where. I could, you know what, let's just put this in here. I just feel like I should have that in there. Where is the, I'm putting at least one alcohol in here. I have to. Sorry, but I have to. Right? So I'm gonna have to, like, get all this out of here, but no, whatever. Should be, Okay, so I'm keeping this in here because I already have a bush pot. Keeping this in here because I don't need it. I don't need it in the kit. Okay, here we go. I can get one of these. I'm using one of these. This will last me a couple days. So that's definitely one now. I suppose. Grab a new one. You know what? I should actually just do this. I wonder if I have one in here. No, I don't, because the one I had was supposed to be. So yeah, this is definitely one here. USB-C. So yeah, that's going in there. What? Oh, that's a lighter. So yeah, that's pretty much just going in here. You know, nothing too crazy. You know, nothing crazy. Just, you know, right? Oh, I could put in this, but I already have a way to for alcohol. I like an alcohol type stove at the burner. See, like, this one's definitely my pride of what I use, you know? When does this expire anyway? Yeah, it don't matter. That's good. So yeah, let's soak this up in. Like, I just want to give myself a great chance. I'm switching. Okay, so I'm switching out. Okay, let's put all the stuff in here, and the potentials. All the snacks? No. Okay. I'm putting in the snacks because guess what? They last until next year. Why not? Now, let's switch out. Actually, no. Someone use that other one as a tarp. Or a ground cover. I will eventually... Which pocket is it? Is it this? No, it's this. I have 3 pockets? Wow, that's weird. In here? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, so where is putting this in here and this in here because it's quick. I'm gonna rearrange a few. You will not fall. Oh, I also put these in here. Fishing, just in case. I could put. Where's the top at? What? Oh. This will fit in here, I know that's for her. So let's take all other crap and this right here and then do what I need to. We can make this into it. You know, I could put this and this into the smaller pack, like this in the smaller pack. I mean, it's freaking huge. Shoot, and you won't really. I'm keeping all three of these bandanas in here because why not? Right. I'm literally keeping all three of these bandanas in here because you don't know, right? Do I need... I don't need this. That's out. Oh, I can... Ooh. Then I could probably put in all the, I could put in the snacks in here, actually, too. Huh. There's only 4 snacks, so it's like... It should be able to. What I could do is... Fold this over. Fold over. Right? Actually, the snacks in the front pocket would be a better option. Because... Yeah. Let's put the Torpeline in here. Wait, which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? 54. 70, wait, I would have the 70 by 72. I'd rather have the 70 by 72. It's easier. No. We can put that somewhere else. You know what, we put this right here. We're not, we have obvious, power banks in here, so. And I'm putting in my solar power bank too. So that means I'll have 3 solar banks no matter what. I might put in the solar little panel over there. Oh no. Depends. It depends. It depends. We're moving stuff out of this pocket. So we can fit stuff. So we can fit some stuffs. I feel like I should have this because you can make a tent out of it if need be. I'm just feeling like, yeah. Something tell me, yeah, do it. Right. I will put this in here as a backup. Refill. Can I have it now? Okay, good. We got that in there. Good. I should put the alcohol in here. No, I can put it in the bigger pocket. Yeah. So let's put in. It's gonna be loose, loosey goosey. It's gonna be a loosey goosey. Yes, it is. We can put these in here easily. We have plenty of space too, so we can pretty much put whatever we need in these. Well, I could just undo that and just freaking fantastic. Okay. Let's see what this one expires, because this should tell me, I don't know, but 25. Like Christmas, I guess. Let's do loosey goosey. Let's do loosey goosey. Shall we? Yes, we shall. Let's do loosey. We had more than this. No. I kind of want to put this in here. This is a water bag. And more water carrying options is always great. I'll have 3 since I'm doing the flask also. But that's gonna be on my person. Anybody wonder like, I think like, that's weird on my person. Anybody else think that? Lazy goosey. Lazy busy. Let's put this in here because we have glue in here. Put this little stuff to this thing. So, what I'm going to do though, I'm opening this because this is too big. We can it will eat not much. I'm doing all 3 if I can. I think I should because let me show you how they're all in the back. Okay. Okay, so you see that, right? You pull that, and honestly, it as you see, look, smaller packaging, right? And that'd be great for this little lights or what have you. Lazy goosey. We can put this. We could do this right. We put this right there, and it'll be good. We're gonna do this. I know it's gonna be heavy. You know what? I'll only do the one, like Alcoa. You can actually make a kit out of, or boil a little bit of water in it. So that's another boiling option. I just see, I do plan these out. I'm getting better at planning out. I could also do the canteen. No. I guess I take lemon and lime. More like lime than anything else. Lazy goosey. Okay, good. Now let's put. Oh god, we're gonna do that. I forgot you have to unhook that to do it. Jackery. How am I gonna get this in here? No more damn. Let's sacrifice this. Let's just do it because I'll have a metal container like there anyway, so yeah. Let's put the alcohol on the side. It'll fit. You want enough, all you jerk. Then we can put that right there. I kind of want this in here too. Yeah, we can put this right here. Towards like in the corners, so we can actually get to. Yeah. That fits perfectly, to be honest. Man, right? And bag is done. Yes, it looks very heavy, but remember, I lift a lot of pounds. I'm putting that somewhere else. But remember, I lift a lot of pounds. In the gym. The only thing I hate are the flaps right here. If you've ever had a book bag from back in the day, that had these flaps for whatever reason, for waterproofing or whatever, you'll know that these are or just bullcrap. Okay. I think, yeah. That. And yeah, we have ourselves a kit. Remember, I'll have this as a container, and it'd be on my person, so it doesn't really matter. This I can put somewhere. I don't really, no, I don't, wait. We can just put, where'd this go? the middle one? Yes, it is. There. Bam. I like. So, yeah, I just feel like I should have some duct tape, because that's going to be really helpful. I know it's like a 7C kit, but I can't do just 5. Like, at least do a 6 or 7. I'm going to keep, what I will do, though, is add this to this. Yeah. I will, oh, God, I need to put this in here. Here. Will I regret not putting this in here? I mean, it's a bag I can, and I can actually, it comes with a filter, too, so I might regret not putting these in here. So, I'm putting the middle one, though. See what that is. I don't know. Oh, we can put it right here. And then there's this. You know, the air. And it fits right here like nothing. So, yes. So, yeah. Bag is done. Right? So, yeah. So I just sacrifice that because I need it. Keeping this in there. Yeah. Oh, I know. Oh, wait. That's why this is here. Anywho, I'll pick that up in a minute. I'm actually probably about to wash it anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. Either way, I have... Wait. Anyway, sorry for a long video. This has been Postbox Viral. We saw in the Wasteland. God bless.